Magandang araw.
Magandang araw,
Magandang araw,
Bicolandia.
Bicolandia. Bicolandia.
Bicolandia.
Ito ang PIA 5 News.
Ito ang PIA 5 News,
Ito ang PIA 5 News. Ito ang PIA 5 News. Hatid sa inyo ng
Philippine
Information Agency.
Region 5.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free. Can you feel it too?
New and unfamiliar situations can bring out shy feelings like meeting someone new or speaking in front of a group for the first time. I'm more likely to feel shy when I'm not sure how to act, don't know how others will react, or when the attention is on me. I usually take longer to warm up to new people and situations. I learn to take slow but steady steps forward. Going slow is okay, but be sure to go forward. Stepping back from any situations that might trigger me to feel shy can reinforce shyness and keep it at a level that's hard to get past. Building confidence by taking one small step forward at a time.
And so we are back because we forgot something. Learn a very important lesson today.
We interviewed people without na hindi namin kinuha yung names nila. Oh my God!
My fellow interns, to my supervisors and employees, make the job enjoyable. The work itself isn't particularly unique, and I could probably acquire similar experience at another media company. But the people, the camaraderie, and the atmosphere here are what set it apart. To me, that's a sign of a healthy work atmosphere, and it's one of the reasons why I've decided to stay with PIA despite the fact that it's still exhausting and hectic. I can still find small joys and humor around me, and I think that's very important in a working environment.
Done with a press con, and this is my first time having media coverage with the one and only Adeline. Uy, iba. Dinaig tayo ng boses sa television.
Is that all they prove? And this is when the moments turn.
The video coverages that I've done are among the most memorable experiences of my life. I never thought I'd feel like doing such incredible things, yet here I am, living a dream come true. Another perk is getting to know fascinating people and learning so much from them through interviews and casual conversations. What I've learned from my internship is the need of being flexible and receptive to new information and learning. After all, education doesn't take place solely within the confines of a classroom, and neither does the development of one's personal character. And lastly, you can't expect others to back you up if you don't believe in yourself first. So believe in yourself first.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens. And
My PIA internship experience is one of the most exciting part of my college journey. It opened me to the reasons why I should love my course more. I learned the importance and demand of the job we wanted in the future. In PIA, I learned the importance of collaborative work and work under time pressure, since the news and information industry has a fast timeline. Aside from the basics of news gathering and writing, I learned a lot when it comes to the technical operations in producing media contents. In PIA, you should really be ready all the time, because the work demands preparedness even in the shortest span of time. There are times that you will be pulled out for a task without any prior knowledge and preparation, which is completely normal in the industry. One of the most memorable experience during my internship is during our media coverage. It is because all the shyness in your body will go away.
Sa Philippine Information Agency, Region 4.
I am beyond grateful sa PIA Region 5 because nagagawa ko yung gusto ko, which is a broadcast report. So in a span of more than 300 hours, na-enjoy ko siya dahil hindi ako na-bored na gawin yung binibigay sa aking task. Because I know for myself na gusto ko yon. Kaya kahit gaano karaming binibigay, kahit sunod-sunod yung broadcast reporting, hindi ako napapagod. Because I love what I am doing.
Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see.
Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Ralph Angelo Hizon.
Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Don Paulo Asesano Pableo.
Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Maria Alexis Balyeser.
Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Marian Geraldine Baita. Ito po ang PIA.
PIA
Ang PIA
PIA 5 News, Jos Mabalos.